How's it going for everyone so far this weekend? Welcome back and thank you for watching my channel, Stock Talks with Sandy. Today's video will be all about what to be expected this year with crypto adoption. More institutions are expected to adopt Bitcoin as an investment vehicle and inflation hedge. Future adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender depends quite heavily on El Salvador. Many governments may move more towards CBDCs in 2022. The use of crypto for payments is expected to gain further momentum in 2022. The crypto market is having a strong end to 2021 with various crypto assets, including Bitcoin hitting new all-time highs. The question is, will we continue seeing increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies among investors, institutions, and even governments next year? For most analysts and observers, 2022 will indeed be yet another year of increasing adoption of cryptocurrency, both in terms of its potential as an investment vehicle and inflation hedge, and also in terms of its utility for payments. Of course, 2022 will not all be plain sailing for cryptocurrency when it comes to adoption, with governmental rejection of crypto remaining just as, if not more, likely in some nations as adoption. That said, with the market showing renewed signs of bullishness, it's likely that the overall trend will be towards more adoption rather than less. So in 2021, let's talk about how accurate the predictions were for last year. Back in 2020, industry players predicted that Bitcoin would see increasing investment interest from institutions in particular. This is indeed what happened, with the current bull market being largely driven by institutional investors. One other thing the commenters' prediction in the previous year's Adoption Trends article was the growth in interoperability platforms and protocols, something which could allow chains to pool resources and value. This was particularly true with regards to the launch of the various cross-chain bridges we saw during this year, such as Wormhole, Avalanche Bridge, and Harmony. Expect more institutions to come, given that a new bull market driven by institutions appears to be emerging. It may come as no surprise to learn that analysts are predicting even more institutional adoption of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in 2022. In part, this should be driven by growing inflationary fears as well as by the increasing normalization of crypto, something helped by new exchange-traded funds. The cryptocurrency market and industry are set for greater acceptance from mainstream investors and companies this year. JP Morgan equity research analyst Kenneth Worthington wrote this to his clients. JP Morgan sees 2022 having potential to be the year of the blockchain bridge, driving greater interoperability of various chains, or the year of financial tokenization. Regarding Bitcoin, JP Morgan says it's particularly well designed as a modern store of value, and the strong design has contributed to the increased confidence in and value of Bitcoin. However, Bitcoin still comes up short against other stores of value, including gold, given its limited history, and according to Worthington. Additionally, Bitcoin's heightened volatility likely won't make it a good currency, since that could undermine crypto as a medium of exchange, as a unit of account, and as a standard for deferred payments, the other recognized functions of money. Volatility concerns have not stopped Bitcoin from rising in their value. Meanwhile, cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase is still a buy for investors, as the company is a beneficiary of the growth across the crypto industry. This is said by Worthington. This article also shared that Bitcoin's share of the store of value market were to rise to 50% over the next 5 years, with no growth in overall demand for stores of value. Its price would increase to just over $100,000, for a compound annualized return of 17 to 18%. And that's accounting for growth in Bitcoin supply over time. That's all I have for you today. Check out my other videos on my channel, and let me know what you want to talk about in the comments below. As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I'll see you guys next time.